Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. If you've seen my Instagram post, you might have questions, and I will answer them. Let's go for a quick drive. You've got questions, I've got answers. But first, you need to watch this video from my Blackview dash cams, and this might help explain why I took off the wrap. Fucking hell. So as you can see, I was on my way to work early in the morning, and I took Stone to work. I don't typically drive Stone to work, but I've been kind of in the mood lately that I want to put more kilometers on the car because I want to enjoy the car. I bought it to drive it, and so I thought I would drive it to work, come around the corner, and bam, the off-ramp is got all the rocks and shale and all that other crap that's on the road. Not sure why it was. I contacted the city to find out what was going on, why it was there. They didn't give me any answers, told me I gotta call CarMax. Anyways, all those rocks and the vehicle in front of me just like littered the wrap with tiny pinholes on the banner. I could actually see, it looked like a Starlight headliner during the daytime with all the light coming through the banner, and the fronts just plastered, and then the sides where the hips are on the M3 was just looked like it was peppered with silver through the wrap. So I made the decision that it might be time to take it off. The final straw with the wrap was I tried a new tire shine, which I really liked the results of the tire shine when I applied it. However, the wrap didn't like it when it was applied to the wrap. It didn't dry very well. It kind of stayed wet all the time, and it got up on the wrap and it actually stained the wrap. I tried numerous chemicals without destroying the wrap any further, I should add, and I couldn't get the stains out of the wrap. So between all the holes and the stains on the wrap, it was too much to handle. And the season's almost over now, and I didn't want to, there's one more car show on September 11th. We're going to Shenny's. Well, I'll make sure I bring you guys along, but I didn't want to go there with the car looking okay. I'd rather it look clean like it is. I'm just out running around doing photos right now for just so I can start updating Instagram and all my social media of what the car looks like now. I think it looks really clean. It really showcases the Silverstone, and I think the wheels actually look better now against the factory paint than with the wrap. Drop a comment, let me know what you guys think down below. Should I keep the wrap? Should I do a new wrap? Should I leave it clean? I'd like to know what your guys' feedback is. What do we have here? Listen to that cam. This is a 1978 Camaro factory 4-speed, leather interior, with a 383 stroker. This motor has been dynoed, tuned for 430 horsepower. With the 4-speed, that would make it one heck of a fun car. And what do we have here? Here is the numbers matching 350. The owner didn't think this had enough horsepower, so he had it upgraded to the 383. What is it doing in the HQ BMW garage with stone? Well, the actual owner is moving and currently doesn't have a place to store it, and it's also for sale. It's a 1978 Camaro factory 4-speed, black. It's been restored ground up. Motor, everything is just phenomenal. You can hear it sounds phenomenal, and it's a gorgeous car. It comes with the original 350. If you are interested in buying this Camaro, drop a comment below, hit me up on Instagram. I can get you in touch with the owner, because they're currently in the moving process. He didn't have anywhere to store it, and I was like, well, you know, I got space in the garage. I got used to parking out on the street and storing the cars in the garage, so least I can do to help them out. Really great family. Jim is a mechanic by trade, and no, I know we talk about mechanic cars and probably should never buy one. This one, you definitely cannot go wrong. It was appraised back in March of 2021 for $40,000. I am currently in the process of cleaning up the paint. It is in super good condition. I'm just taking it one step farther and making it look absolutely perfect. So if you're interested in buying this car, drop a comment below and let me know. I can get you in touch with the proper people. What do you guys think of stone now that the wrap is gone? Like I said, drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys want to see next for stone. Do we do another wrap? Do we do a full wrap? Do we do a different livery? Or do we just keep it clean and enjoy it like this for a while? Drop a comment below. But that concludes today's episode. Little short update video. Just wanted to let you guys know of why the wrap was pulled off of stone, and that's the reason. So here's some pictures that we just took, and let me know what you guys think of how they turned out. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe.